Greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida down here in zone 11. I'm going to plant up some green bean seeds into my GreenStalks.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman comes so.
But these right here, for the most part, they're sitting straight. They are going to probably fall over. I moved it off the base. But I think that, there we go. They are definitely, sturdier because they are lower to the ground. Go ahead on and we're gonna plant up these beans. I want to do about 1 package per GreenStalk. I think would be just a kind of suffice just to have a mix of things in the GreenStalk. So I have onions and lettuce and some flowers already in here. Onions, yes. This one, I don't see. Okay, this one, I do not see any lettuce. So this one right here is just onions and flowers. So I'm gonna take 2 of these packs of beans and I'm gonna just plant them in. I don't want them to be deep. Plant them. Beans are one of the easiest things that you can grow. Oh, these are actually not. Yeah, the quality is definitely going down. I'm going to have to order some beans from another source. But for today, I have them. I'm going to use them. I plant like 2 beans in a pocket. I'm going to plant them in the middle. These are bush beans, so they will not like drape and have long long vines. Okay, we're gonna put them just sort of around in different spots. I'm gonna do 1 per pocket. Put 2 down here. Okay, that's done. We'll do this one back here. Broken up. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to move on to the back and do the next 2 GreenStalks back here on this side. Y'all, these beans, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Some of them are like just split. To show you. See that? They're broken up. I had something like that in every pack so far. So here's another one. Probably the other half of it. See that? Just split. And also, This is what I got from the packet. That's all I got from the packet. It's that right there. Bug of some sort was found by my ear. Okay. I think this one has beans in every pocket. Not beans, excuse me. Onions in every pocket. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, so this GreenStalk is really loaded in with flowers. The bottom has some onions, but I definitely have flowers growing like everywhere in this GreenStalk. I may end up taking some of these tiers that have more flowers on them and mixing it up with like this one, because I did this. I got these flowers after I already planted out these 4 tiers in onions. So I may go back. Look, y'all. Once again, can you all see these right here split open? And you saw how many seeds came out that packet. So, you know, like, know what you're getting. Know what you're getting when you buy the Dollar Tree version of beans. Just saying. When my order comes in of my other beans, we can do a comparison of what I received here versus them. I need more dirt over here. This is settled. Okay, like that. It's done. So I have planted 4 tiers, each with 1 pack of green beans. Each with 1 pack of green beans apiece. That's it. I have to run inside and want the kids to dance or soccer or something. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
There's so much weight.